Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi's playroom was a wonderful mess of blocks, dolls, and cars. But Mommy called, "Time to clean up, Mimi." Mimi sighed. Cleanup time wasn't always her favorite. Mimi tried to push a big teddy bear into its box. It wouldn't fit. "Grrr, this bear is so annoying," she mumbled loudly, feeling frustrated and a bit grumpy. Mommy came close. "Mimi, sweetie," she said softly. "Remember our gentle words? When things are tricky, we can say, 'This is a challenge, but I'll try my best.' Gentle words help our hearts feel calm." Mimi looked at a pile of colorful blocks. She took a deep breath. "Okay, blocks," she whispered. "You are a little scattered, but I can gather you up." She gently picked them up and put them away. Soon, Mimi's room was getting tidy. She was still cleaning, but her heart felt lighter. Using gentle words made cleanup feel much easier and much, much happier.